Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting chapter, electricity. So this chapter comes under the physics. Okay. See, this electricity is an important place in the modern society. Okay. So this electricity, it is a controllable and convenient form of energy for the variety of users like in homes, industries, hospitals, schools, etc. Okay. So see here one question is rises, what to constitute an electric current, okay, and how this electric current or electricity is flowing in an electric circuit. Okay. So in this chapter we shall attempt to some answers to such questions or such doubts. Okay, and also we discuss about an heating effect of electric current and its applications. Okay, see, the first you know to understand this electricity concept, we will perform one activity. Okay, so that is water current or the air current. If the air is move, then we call it as an air current. Okay, if the water is move, if the movement of water is, then we call it as in water current. Okay, if the water is flows, then water current. Okay, similarly, if the charges are flow, then we call it as electric current. Okay, so electric current is due to the flowing of the charges. See, what is in charges? See, the fundamental particles of an atom. The atom consisting of a fundamental particles. That is an electrons, protons, protons and neutron. Okay, so this neutron. The electron, these electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a particular shells, in the particular orbits, whereas the proton and the neutron is located in the nucleus. Okay, so these protons in the nucleus and protons and the neutrons are together called nucleons. Okay, so the charge of an electron, the charges, see, this is called in charge. Okay, the electron is also in charge, proton is also in charge. Okay, so whereas the charge of an electron is in negative. Okay, and while the proton is in positive. Okay, they have two. See, we have two kinds of charges. One is a positive charge and another one negative charge. Okay, this is one property of charges. Okay, see, and neutron charge is in lies between the positive and the negative charge. Okay, see, if the flow of charges is leads to an electric current. Okay, if the charges are flowing, then we consider the electric current. Okay, see, what is a charge? Electric charge. See, this electric charge is a physical matter of a substance. Okay, physical matter of the matter. Okay, physical property of the matter. Okay, see, some properties of an electric charges. Okay, properties of electric charges. See, first one, there are two kinds of charges, that is a positive charge and the negative charge. Okay, so and the second one is the like charges are repulse each other and unlike charges are attract each other. Okay, so that is and second one property. And third one is the charges are conserved. Okay. Next, fourth one is a charge is quantized. Okay, so these are the four properties of the charges. Okay, see, the first one property is the charges are differentiate into positive charge and the negative charge. Okay, and second property is the like charges are repulse each other and unlike charges are attract each other. And third property is the charge is conserved. Okay, charge is conserved. And fourth property is charges are quantized. Okay, quantized. See, like charges are repulse each other, unlike charges are attract each other. Okay, first property you know. Second property, first one property is in two charges, positive charge and negative charge. Second property is in like charges repulse and unlike charges attract. Okay. So, and the third one property is in charge is conserved. See, charge cannot be destroyed, neither it be created nor be destroyed. Okay. So, and similar, but it can be transferred from one form to the another form. Okay, the charge cannot be destroyed. Okay. Next one, fourth one is in quantized, means charge is quantized, means the integral multiples of charges. Integral multiples of charges become an net charge or the total charge. So Q is equal to N into E. Okay. So that is what a charge is quantized. Okay. Suppose you consider the charge 1 is in Q1, Q2, Q3 dash up to Qn. Okay. So then the net charge or the total charge is Q is equal to integral multiples of the total charges. Okay. So this is what a charge is quantized. So next. See the water current. Okay, if the water is flows, okay, then we consider that is an water current. Okay, if the charges are flow, then we consider electric current. Okay, if the charges are flowing, then it is an electric current. Okay, see, let us perform an activity to understand this how the electric charges are flowing. Okay. If there is a barrier is present between the switch and the bulb, let us consider this is a switch. Okay, this is a cell. This is cell, and this is a switch, and this is a bulb. Okay, this is an electric circuit. Okay, this is bulb. Okay. So if I plug this switch, so what happens? The current is plug off, then the current is not flows. If the plug in, the current is flows, means the charges are flowing. Okay. So this is what an electric circuit. See, there is an connecting link between the cell and the bulb. Okay. If the switch is on, the current electric charges are flowing. If the switch is off, then the charges are not flowing. That means then the electric circuit is in breakdown. Okay, if the electric circuit is breaks, then the charges are not flowing. Okay, so this is an electric circuit. If you define in a proper manner that what is an electric circuit, see, it is a continuous path. Okay, it is a continuous closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. What? Electric circuit. See, electric circuit. Okay. See, electric circuit means a continuous and the closed path of the electric current is what an electric circuit. Okay. So next, the electric current. Now we define the electric current. What is an electric current? Okay. As we know from the activity water current, okay, the electric current means a flow of the charges. Flow of charges is an electric current. So electric current is denoted by a capital I. Okay, electric current. The flow of charges. So we consider the flow of charges in a particular time. Okay, flow of charges per unit time is a electric current. Okay, so I equals to the flow of charges. Then I consider this charges, total net charges in the circuit be Q. Okay, and these charges are flowing in a certain time T. Okay, so electricity or the electric current equal to the Q by T. Okay, so this is what an electric current. This is a formula to find out the electric current, amount of the electric current. If the charge is given, the time is known, then we can calculate the electric current flowing through a circuit. Okay. So what is the SI unit of this electric current of electricity? Okay. One of the scientists he discovered, he invention about the electric current, so that SI unit is named as his name, that is an ampere. What? Ampere. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. What? Ampere. Okay. So this is an SI unit of electric current. Okay. So we will discuss later about an electric current and more about an electric current. Okay. So this is a definition and the meaning of an electric current and the formula to find out the amount of electric current in a given electric circuit. Okay. So thank you. Bye.